go by walking. So naputol yung video ko kanina. That's only 5 minutes from there. Actually we go here by taxi, but we can go by walking as well, going back to the center. So ayun, ang ganda ng weather nila kasi it's not really hot and it's just a little bit windy now, but it's good. So right, lalakad ako, right? Cute. So I just want you to know, guys, that ZLATIBOR is one of the tourist place in Serbia. So mostly ang mga nagpupunta dito tourist lang din, kasi out of the city siya, actually parang village, pero mostly kasi mountains dito. So there are mostly more on mountains and historical places as well. Hangin mo! My God, my phone is moving. Para ako lilipa rin sa sobrang lakas ng hangin. Oh my God. And one more thing, ZLATIBOR is also for skiing mostly, kasi dito nag-snow. Yung place na pinuntahan ko, it was in my another vlog, guys. So abangan nyo kasi nakikita nyo yung view doon. Doon kami nag-cable car kahapon. So super enjoy ko yung bakasyon ko, guys. Sana nagustuhan nyo yung video ko. See you on my next vlog and hope you like my videos here in ZLATIBOR, and sana na-enjoy you guys. And maraming salamat, and please don't forget once again to comment down below whatever videos you want me to do, and sana nagustuhan nyo. Salamat sa pagsama nyo sa akin, and keep in touch, guys, and see you on my next vlog again. Once again, thank you, and see you on my next vlog.